Dr. Clarelina Smith, and I will be taking a journey to the past with this time machine I have built. I have chosen to go back in time and see how the atomic theory has changed over time. So come along, let's get on our way.
Sophia and Blood, please.
Hello there, sir. Are you in Blood, please?
Why, yes, I am. Who is that?
Dr. Clarelina Smith from the year 2011. I am a time traveler, and I am trying to learn about the atomic theory. Would you mind telling me about your contribution to the idea?
Why, sure. As you should know, I am a very famous philosopher, and I have looked at many different scientific theories for explaining the natural world, and I have come up with my own hypothesis. I believe that there are 4 elements: fire, water, earth, and air. I believe that everything is made up of one of these substances, and everything is dependent on love and strife.
Who inspired these ideas?
Well, I followed Parmenides, so that is where these thoughts came from.
Thank you for sharing this information with me. Now I'm off to talk to Aristotle about his contribution. What's all the noise about?
I'm telling you, the smallest thing in this world is elements. You must be crazy not to believe that.
No, that's not true. The smallest things in the world are parts of the 4 elements: fire, water, earth, and air.
What
Duh.
seems to be the problem, gentlemen?
This buffoon believes the idea of atoms and thinks they are the smallest things in the world, when really, the smallest things in the world are parts of the elements. I mean, really? Who are people going to believe? Me, a famous philosopher, or her, a nothing?
People will believe me because I'm right.
Look, I'm from the future, where we know all about this stuff. Would you like some help from me?
Yes.
Okay, so I hate to break it to you, Aristotle, but Democritus is right. The smallest things in the world are atoms.
What? I told you so.
I'm sorry, but it's the truth. And if that's all, I think I'm going to talk to John Dalton now. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, hello there. May I help you with something?
Oh, well, actually, yes, you can. Could you tell me about your proposal to the atomic theory?
Certainly. Well, first off, I came up with the atomic theory, and I came up with the symbols to represent the elements on the periodic table.
Well, I'm from the year 2011, and your theory has certainly paid off.
I always knew it would.
Thank you for sharing your information with me. I'm off to talk to J.J. Thompson now. Take care.
Bye.
Excuse me, sir. Are you J.J. Thompson?
Well, yes, indeed I am, young lady. How may I help you?
I was just wondering if you were the person to discover the protons and electrons inside of atoms.
Yes, of course that was me. I discovered that electrons are the negatively charged particles in atoms, and the positive ones are protons.
That's what I thought. You see, I come from the future, and we talk about your discoveries a lot.
Splendid! Have you heard of my plum pudding model?
Yes, it shows what an atom is supposed to look like.
Correct.
Well, Mr. Thompson, thank you for your time, but I need to catch up with Ernest Rutherford now.
Well, tell him hello for me.
I will. Hi there. Are you Ernest Rutherford?
Why, yes, I am. Who wants to know?
Dr. Clarelina Smith from the year 2011. I'm a time traveler, and I am trying to learn about the atomic theory. Would you mind telling me about your contribution to the idea?
I'm the one who discovered the neutron. This is what people remember me for.
Yes, I know that. I know what you're talking about. That was a very important discovery. But didn't you do something else? Like, didn't you discover radium and polonium?
Why, I believe that was Mary Curie. Maybe you should pay her a visit.
I think I will. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome.
Hi, ma'am. Are you Maria Curie?
Yes, I am. How do you do?
I'm doing pretty good, actually. But I was wondering if you could tell me about the discovery that had to do with the atomic theory.
I was the one to find out that radiation is an atomic property of the elements of uranium and other elements. And it turned out to be two new chemical elements I called radium and polonium. The radium was used in experiments on atoms.
Wow, what a neat discovery.
I am very proud of my work.
I would be too. Thank you for your time, but now I have to go back to 2011 where what an interesting adventure that was. I hope you enjoyed my journey into the past as I learned how the atomic theory was discovered. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Yay! Bye! We love you guys.
Hello.
These are our... Excuse me, sir. Are you J.J. Thompson?
Well, yes, I think
Excuse me, sir. Are you J.J. Thompson?
Well, indeed I am. How may I help you, young lady?
Camera guy. The camera guy is me. Hand it to me.
Hi, ma'am. Are you Marie Curry? I was trying to be country. Sorry, girl.
Have you guys seen my daughter's? She did, you know the movie,
I can see it.
or the book, Freaky Mikey, we read in middle school on? She had to do a project, a report, and she did, just like you guys are doing, she did a YouTube, she did a video and put it on YouTube and showed it to the class. That was her book report.